yung vigilante and due person.
Especially the Crime Bureau. Okay, anyone? Halika.
Restraining about public safety services is a different organization to government that helps to prevent and control different situations in our community and also to organize the community.
To prevent and control crime, to organize the community. Anyone? Ano pa? Last element. Okay, halika.
Police Training Pavilion, Vivo. I believe that public safety is our number one priority. Priority, sir.
Public safety is the number one priority. Okay. Sino ba? Ikaw, may iniisip mo yan ah. Ikaw, ano nakahawak sa iyo? Magandang iniisip mo ah. Di ba? May huwag mong hayaan mahulog sa ilong ah, di ba? Dapat may sabi.
Police training at the expert, sir. So public safety service our main client and kasi yung public sir yung client natin kasi police officer. So we will make sure that security is available.
Security ng public. Sabi niya. Sino ba? Ha? Halika.
Police training of Officer Public Safety. Public safety services is about protecting our community from threats.
Protecting the community from threat. According to IT. Anyone? Halika.
Training, Dr. Andrea. Public safety is tips for guiding how to protect the country or community. Protect the country or community. It is a tips for guide on how to protect the community.
Protect the community, the country, the tips how to protect the community. Okay, anyone? Meron tumas naman yan. Halika.
Sir, police training assistant.
To prevent and control crime, sir.
To prevent and control crime. Ha? Anyone? Halika.
Police training number one. The public safety services is the one of the mission of the Philippine National Police.
One of the mission of the Philippine National Police. Asan yung tumas niya? Halika.
Police training number. For me, public safety is the service ko na